Hi Maddie, I just wanted to demonstrate for you how to find the feedback on your essay. So when you're in the grades area, you need to scroll down to the assignment you want to look at. In this case it was 6.11. You're going to click on the assignment itself, on the title for the assignment. And then that will take you to the submission area. And here in the submission area, it shows your submission of your document here on the left. And you can see that it says DocX, but that will just open your document without any of the comments in the margins. What you need to click on is over on the right, this View Feedback. It's a very small link and it's easy to overlook it. So be sure to click on this one, View Feedback, and even when you click on that, you'll see that it's very small and it's hard to read your own text, even though you do see the comments in the margins over here. So what you can do is up along this gray banner at the top, just click on these two arrows that point outward, and that will open it larger so that you can see your text better and you can see the comments that are associated with each part of the text. So I hope that helps you get to the comments. Let me know, okay, if you are able to see them. Thanks.